Okay, I want to welcome you to Unit F. In Unit F, I guess I should first kind of explain what Unit F is all about. It's about adding graphics to your document, and basically the graphics we're talking about are all also called objects. Things like graphics and text boxes and word art and shapes and charts, those things are all objects. So we are going to show you how to manipulate those objects and how to customize those objects. So the first thing I want you to notice is that there are only 2 assignments due in Unit F as we're getting near the end of the Word section. Just the tutorial and a project, and the project with no link means you do this from scratch. There are 2 files here in Unit F. One is a document file, and this other one, this beach JPEG, is an image file. And since we're going to start with the image file, what I need you to do is we're going to open it and save it to where it should normally be saved. Since we're working with Angel, we have to kind of do things a little differently. So what I want you to do is I want you to click on this beach JPEG, and as you see, we've opened it up. Nice little photo. Okay, but we need to get it out of Angel and save it where it normally would be, which would be in a folder on your computer. So I want you to right click on it, and you should see various different options. I want you to save the one that either says save image as or save picture as, one of those, and click on that. And by default, images are normally saved in your picture folder in your library. So you see here on the left pane here it says library. Normally we go to documents. I want you to go to pictures. Now if your computer doesn't allow you to go to pictures, then you'll have to put it in documents. But let's put it in pictures. Okay? This is my home computer, so it looks a little different. Yours should have something in yours should say sample photos. You should see a folder that says sample pictures, and you want to click in your sample pictures, and this particular image is called beach JPEG. Leave the name the way it is and click save. Okay, and I'm just going to close that for now because I don't need it at this very minute. So we just want to save it in the right folder. Again, put it in your sample pictures folder. If it won't let you go in the sample pictures, then you want to just leave it in your documents folder. Okay? So now that we've done that, let's go back to the assignments tab, or let's just click on the back arrow. It'll take us back here. And now we're going to open up our document like we normally do. So let's open up the document, the WDF1. And this is what this file looks like. And now that we have this document open, we are going to save it as we usually do. We're going to make a duplicate, so we're going to save. And we're going to save this one in our normal documents folder or your thumb drive, and we're going to call this Adventure Mexico. Okay. Let's take a look at this document. It's only 2 pages. It's not too bad looking. It's got some other images in it, and it's okay. So let's put our show hide button on. Press Control Home to get to the top of your document if you haven't already done so. And what I want to do is I want to place my insertion point right in front of the A in Adventure Mexico. Really doesn't make any difference because we're going to move it around anyway, but we'll just start there. Now I want you to click on your Insert tab and notice that we have an Illustrations group. Most of the things on the ribbon in the Insert tab are all objects. They're things that you can manipulate and customize. Now we have a picture group and we have a clip art group. The difference between clip art and picture is clip art are images that are part of Word and the Office software. So there are hundreds of image files that are part of the program. The picture button are pictures that you have saved elsewhere. I mean, things like your digital camera or website or some third-party image file program. So we are going to click on the picture button because the picture we are going to find is not part of the software, and you want to navigate to your folder that you saved it. In my case, I saved it in the sample. Where's my sample folder? I know I had the sample folder in here somewhere. Sample folder should be alphabetically arranged. Interesting. Where's my sample? Oh, here we go. Okay. I've saved it in two places, but I'm going to go to the sample folder like I did earlier, and we're going to click on the one that says Beach JPEG. Click on that, and it should show in here, and then click Insert. And I'm going to zoom in a bit. In fact, the book wants us to go to the page with view. Okay? So, our image file is here. Now, when you insert an image file, such as a picture, again, you will get a Picture Tools ribbon. You click here, and here are the buttons that are associated with that. What we're going to do is we are going to use a nice little picture effect. So, I want you to notice that we have this little green thing here which allows us to rotate the image. These little handles here are called sizing handles. You've seen this before. So make sure your picture is selected and your table tools are visible. And in the Picture Styles group, we are going to go to the Picture Effects. Click on that, and we're going to go to Shadow. And right now it says no shadow, and we're going to go to the very first one that says Offset Diagonal Bottom Right. First one under Outer, and click on that, and you'll see a very slight shadow. If you deselect, very slight shadow. Well, we want that shadow to be a little more visible. So what we're going to do is click on the photo again. Make sure our Picture Tools is available. We're going to go back to our Picture Effects. We're going to go back to Shadow, but this time we're going to go all the way down to where it says Shadow.